is Ting Ting Chen, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for Black & Decker Medea. What I wanted to show you here is our first lineup of Black & Decker corded upright vacuum. It is called the Black & Decker Air Swivel Upright Vacuum. It is only weighed at 8.8 pounds of total weight, so it makes it really easy to push and pull on carpet and hard floor. It comes with 170-degree swivel functionality, so when you're vacuuming around the furniture, it makes it really easy to clean, really easy to push and pull. It is only 8.8 pounds, so it is very, very lightweight to carry up the stairs and down the stairs throughout the whole house. I'm gonna demonstrate this vacuum with a little bit of dirt or cereal on the floor. You can see it's really, really powerful. The best thing about this vacuum, besides the swivel functionality and the lightweight, is that it is only at cost of $59.99. So anything under $100, this price is unbeatable. Anything under $100, you wouldn't find a swivel functionality except this vacuum right here. And it is available right now on Amazon.com. It will be available for Walmart and Target this year.